track is more than its beats. It's an experience. So after you play, first of all, you have to play the chords, find some good chords that you want. Then when you play the chords using the piano, sometimes they can be off, so you have to quantize. That's why I use Q, which is quantizing and putting them in place. Then I was extending so that it can fill each bar. So after you have your chords, the next thing now is choosing sounds that you're going to use so that you can layer. Because with this one sound, you only have it's one sound. So for me, I like layering so that I can have a wide feel in my music, because I don't want it to be just one thing. I want it to be so wide. That's why I'm going to layer. So I'm going to choose sounds that I'm going to layer with. When I'm layering, mostly I usually layer like in the chorus, and mostly I usually layer when I'm making like EDM music, like pop, because in the chorus, that's why I want it to be so large and have certain punch. So it depends with what you want. For me, I like using synths or leads. It's someone's preference. So yeah, you can record, because first you recorded the first chords, you can record again, but to make work easier, you can just copy what you recorded first. So I'm going to copy what I recorded first. And like that, I have two layers. I have the grand piano, and also I have a synth. So with that, you can already feel like the music is from the first one, as you can listen from the first one. It's just a piano. Then when we add our second layer, you can see the music becomes a bit starting to grow. For me, I don't just use like 2 layers. I like to add some, I always like to have like 4, because 4, for me, it's good. So we're going to add another one. Having layers for me, it's really, really important, because it makes the music feel like it's not weak, it's strong, it's wide. The same way you can do it on vocals. On vocals, you can have, let's say, a singer or even a rapper who will sing you'll sing the song, then you can take 2 doubles in the same voice. He won't change to any, go on a higher register or a lower register. It's the same register that the musician sang in. So you take like the first take, then you take 2 more. Mostly duplicating, it can't work because you might have some phasing issues. So with that, you have 3. Then if you want to add more, you can add maybe harmonies. And the harmonies, you can pan them left, right, and with that you have a layer. Your music will be wide, it won't be weak. For me, I always say it's weak, but I like it to be wide. So with that, we've already finished creating the layer, so let's listen to it. This is where we started from, with the piano. With the pluck that was giving a bit of ambience. I like plugs so much. Most of my songs, I always like using plugs, because who doesn't? Then we have the synth. If you listen to EDM, if you like EDM, for me I like EDM, so using synth is perfect. Then we have our lead. ADMI, we don't just learn, we create experiences.